Hi guys, Craig here. Today I want to show you how you can join this amazing business even if you don't have any money. Because that's the excuse that a lot of people have. Or they have the money, but they're afraid to join the business because they think it's hard. So I'm going to show you that if you genuinely don't have the money, or if you do have the money but you think this business is hard, I'm going to show you how easy it is to build this business, whether you have the money or not. Okay. So I've created in the Google Drive, which I've shared with all the retail miners that have not joined the business as yet. Um, and if you are not a retail miner either, and you've been talking to me about joining this business, then just message me and I will send you the link to the resources for our retail miners, because they're freely available to whoever would like to change their lives. All right. Now, I want to take you to the script that I've written for you guys. Very, very easy. And so, one thing that I can do for you, is that I can show you very simple, practical things that you can do to uh, to join this business and to make more money and to change your life. The only thing that I can't do is I can't want it for you. I can't desire for you. Desire must come from you. Desire is an inner conversation that you must have for yourself. It's an inner emotion. It's the very powerful emotion that it actually, if you think about it, desire rhymes with fire. And a lot of times you'll see the references, sometimes in the Bible or in other books, poetry books, where desire is compared to fire because that's how powerful it is. Desire moves us to action. So if we really want something, we can get out there and we can get it if we want to. And I'm also would like to destroy the illusion once and for all that money is your problem. Money is not your problem. Your faith in yourself is the problem. Your belief in yourself is the problem. Your belief about money is the problem. Money is simply an effect. The cause of lack or overflow of money is within us. All right. So there's a practical thing that you can do. Make a list of 20 of the people, 20 of the top connections on your phone. You can make more if you want, but start with 20. On your phone, Facebook, and LinkedIn. And all you do is just send them the simple message, which I've color coded and I've italicized. And you go, hey, whatever the person's name is, because they probably know you. If they're in your phone, Facebook, and LinkedIn, they probably know you. Top 20, right? Family or friends or whoever. Remember, you want to change your life. So if you want to change your life and you're serious about changing your life, then follow through with this very basic script. Hey, first name, hope you're well. I've been quite busy, but just wanted to touch base with you. This may be a crazy question for you. Sorry, this may be a crazy question, but do you at all keep your options open to earning extra income on the side if it did not interfere with what you currently do? You just copy, all right? Right click, copy, go to Facebook Messenger, go to WhatsApp and paste, or LinkedIn and paste. Okay, obviously change that's just a placeholder. Change that to the person's name, and then you wait for them to answer. Right, and as soon as they answer, they'll answer yes, maybe, it depends. 9 times out of 10, that's how they'll answer. And then you write back, I have a short video that explains far better than what I can. If I send you the link to the video, can you watch it now? All right. Again, 9 times out of 10, they're going to respond, yes, maybe, it depends. And then you send them my link. All right. You send them my link. And then, depending on how they answer, just follow the script. Everything is written down here for you. You put them in a WhatsApp group with me. And then we talk to them and we get them to make a decision. And if they say they want to join and they'll join on such and such a date, you put that into a spreadsheet or you mark it down somewhere in a book and you say so and so is ready to join. They'll pay on such and such a date. So now you've got one person. For every person that joins your business, you're going to get $150. All right. That is the simple compensation plan. I'm not going to get into the details, but just know that for every person It's more than that. It's more powerful than that, because you get points as well, which then cycle into $50, and that's where your residual income comes from. And you can use that money to then buy contracts and so increase the income that's coming into your life. All right. But let's not get into that. Let's just keep it simple. It's 150 for every person that joins. So you'll agree with me that if you got 20 people, if you contacted 20 people and 6 of them committed, right? Well, that's 6 times 150. Well, let's just say 2 of them renege on their commitment. Well, that's 4. All you need is 4 people and you've got $600. All right. And then the next thing that you need to do is either borrow the 600 or raise the 600 and have those people, when those people join, your $600 is in your account and you've ROI'd. In other words, you paid 0 to join this business by simply taking a few actions. Now, if you don't believe in something, you're not going to do anything. For example, someone that, for example, believes that marijuana cures cancer or makes them smarter, they're going to smoke it, right? Someone that believes that going to the gym it will help them to get muscles, even though they go there every day and they don't see anything, but after a few weeks they start seeing results. So what I'm trying to say to you is that your success depends on your belief about yourself, about this business, and the way that you know that you believe is you act. All right, you back up your belief, or you prove that you have faith. You prove that you have belief by your actions. All right. A lot of people say, I believe, I know this business can do this. And they'll say all kinds of things, but there's no evidence of their belief because there's no action on their part. Because once those 4 people join your business, you've ROI'd. In other words, you've every cent that you've paid to join the business, you've got back. So in other words, you spend 0, right? Now, this is the exact same script you use to continue to build your business. This is the exact same script that they use to build their businesses, right? And so as they build their businesses, you earn money, and your income in your life starts to increase through the action that you take on a daily basis. Everything that we do on a daily basis comes back to us. The work that I'm doing now, for example, this video that I'm doing right now, all right, it's going to reap reward. I'm going to reap the reward of this. My harvest is going to come in a week from now, or a month from now, a year from now. It'll keep on coming in because of the seed, the work that I've done, the seed that I've planted today, right? So what are you doing every day? What seed are you planting every day? Because your harvest is going to meet you in the front, all right? It's going to meet. Guys, let me explain something. There's nothing that you do that's not going to meet you up in the front, all right? We are being pushed by time into the future, all right? We are being driven, whether we like it or you can't swim against time, yeah, all right? So we need to be more cognizant of what we're planting, because without a doubt, we are going to meet our harvest in front. So if you already know that you're going to meet that harvest, then does it not make sense to plant the right type of seed? Because you already know that if you plant the seed, you're going to see that harvest in front of you. So become aware of the things that you're doing every day, because you are going to meet that harvest. It's a law, it's proven, it's unchangeable, it's immutable. So if you know that already, then you are guaranteed. So you see, I am fully persuaded that everything that I do every single day at my computer I'm going to meet that harvest, because it's a law, right? It's an absolute law. So if you do nothing, well, that's what you're going to meet up in front of you. You're going to meet nothing, all right? Well, you're going to meet something. You're going to meet whatever you're planting today, whatever you're doing, right? These are just metaphors. This is just allegories to help us to understand the laws of life, the laws that drive us, the laws that cause us to continually live in poverty, or those, and we can use the same laws to help us grow incredible wealth. And so what I'm saying to you is that money is not your problem. Ignorance is your problem. Ignorance is all of our problems, all right? So, and the more that we destroy lives, the wealthier and the more peace and joy will come into our lives. It's not a money problem. It's an ignorance problem. And I'm trying to help you guys to destroy ignorance, because we perish as people. We perish as human beings because of a lack of knowledge, all right? So here we go. You use the script, go in, and if you don't have friends, and if you don't have a positive outlook in life, well, I'm going to help you with that too, all right? You go in here, you go to Google, and you type in Norman Vincent Peale, all right? And you go and you copy all of his sayings, his quotes, and you read them every day. If you're a negative person, if negative words keep coming out of your mouth, if faithless words keep coming out of you, then you need to start putting in positive words, okay? You need to start putting in faith words so that faith can come out, all right? And so that you can start believing in yourself, all right? And then, of course, the other thing that people have a problem with is that they don't have much rapport with people that have money. You know, they'll always be, one of the excuses that I always hear from people is, I don't know anybody that's got money, or none of the people that I know will join this business. Well, you see, is that not just the biggest clue that you've just given yourself, right? You've just given yourself the biggest clue. You are surrounding yourself with the wrong people. If the only people that you know don't have money, if the only people that you know are not ambitious or interested in changing their lives, then you know the wrong people. You need to start changing that. You need to start associating with the right people. And this is why we invite people to the events. That's why I always carry on about events, because when you start rubbing off, because when you go to places where there's positive people, where there's people that are ambitious, where there's people building a business, where there's people helping each other, well, that rubs off on you. It's like steel. It's like, magnetization. We are like magnets. And the more people that are negative that we rub up against, well, those negative people magnetize us. They magnetize our minds. They magnetize our behaviors, all right? And so we become like them. So if they poor, we poor. If they negative, we negative. We by virtue of being in their presence all the time and being in their environment, we become like them. Our molecules in our body, just like a piece of steel that gets magnetized, they configure themselves to that person's nature, right? You don't believe me? Test it. Look at yourself. Start becoming aware of yourself, all right? Same with if I put you in an environment where there's just positive people and there's ambitious people, and you start rubbing up against them. Well, suddenly the brain cells start to reconfigure themselves, and every molecule in your body starts to reconfigure itself, and you start to act and behave and speak and think like the people that you're rubbing up against. It's the law of nature. If you don't believe me, try it. All right. So you can start taking even these quotes, and instead of posting negative stuff on Facebook, start to post this stuff. Because guess what's going to happen? You're going to start attracting positive people as well. Wow. Isn't that incredible? Isn't it so easy to change your attitude? Isn't it so easy to change who you are, right? So if you have a problem with belief, if you have a problem with faith in yourself, then I'm giving you the ultimate solution to fix that. That's if you want to. If you want to stay the same, if you want things to stay in your the same in your life, if you want money to always be a problem in your life, then just stay the same. Don't make any effort to change. Just don't. Just do absolutely nothing. All right, and then nothing's gonna happen. Trust me. All right. So all you do is you go and find positive groups as well. You go on to and sorry about that. And you find people that you can friend. Look, there's 400,000 people that like this group. Go and find them. Friend them. Friend people in South Africa. Here's a guy. He's in Johannesburg. Let me friend him. There we go. He seems like he's interested in positive stuff. And then after I friended him, and I can go through all of these people and find people in South Africa, or find people that are, let's see, this guy is in South Africa, or someone that's in our company. So this guy, sorry, our company, but is in a country where we open. So he's in Kenya, so we open there. All right, so I go and I friend all of these positive people looking for positive things in their lives. Let's see, this is this lady. She's from Bloemfontein. Oops, I don't want to message her. I just want to friend her first. All right, so all of these things you can start doing. All right, and then once you've, so let's say now your excuses that you don't have, your excuses, you don't have the right friends. You know, your friends are not interested in network marketing. Your friends are not interested in making more money. Your friends are not interested in this type of business. Well, then go make new friends. Go make new friends. Come on, just go and make new friends. It's so easy. Go onto Facebook, find positive people, check out their profiles and friend them. All right, that's what I just showed you how to do it. I just showed you, like, if I didn't have positive friends in my life, if I didn't have friends that were interested in this business, I just go find them. They're there. They're out there. Believe you me, there are people that are out there that are willing to be your friend. And if you're not crazy, if you're not insane, if you're not a completely negative person, and if you are able to, make the decision to change your attitude and to start feeding yourself positivity, they'll not only want to be your friend, because most people like positive people and people that have got a positive outlook in life, they'll be willing to look at your opportunity. All right. So I've just shown you how you can test this business. All right. And in fact, this business is a mirror. Let me just tell you something. This business is a mirror. It reflects you to you. It actually shows you how you've been wasting time all your life with the wrong. Because I mean, if you make a list of the top 20 people in your life, and all of those people are broke, all those people don't have money, all those people are negative and just not ambitious, well, it says a lot about you. And it says to you that it's time for change, right? When you look at yourself in the mirror and you break the mirror, that is the height of insanity. If you look at yourself in the mirror and you don't like what you see on your face, you change your face. You don't change the mirror. The mirror is just reflecting what's showing on your face. It's the same with our lives, with our friends. When we look at our environment, when we look at what's going on in our lives, and there's always shortage of money, there's always a lack. Well, don't try to change the lack and the money situation. That's just a reflection of who you are. Change you, and the mirror will just, your life, which is the mirror, will reflect you back to yourself, right? So that's what I'm saying. This business is like a mirror. It opens your eyes to who you are. And people are afraid of that. They're afraid to find out who they really are. But I've got good news for you. Once you find out who you really are, just change. Just make a decision. Say, how do I change? Just make a decision. Say, from today, I'm changing. From today, I'm going to start doing things that are going to generate positivity in my life, right? Maybe hard in the beginning, because you'll probably feel uncomfortable if you're a seriously negative person. But the more you do it, the more it becomes a habit, and the more those habits will then begin to reflect themselves. They start to appear as good friendships, as good relationships, as money starts to come into your life. So I hope that helped, guys. I hope that you'll start to take this seriously. Just at least give it a try. Follow this. Give me your feedback. Have a chat with me. I'll get you my link, and I'll help you get started in this business without a single cent. Thanks for listening in. Cheers.